everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a stunning 1965 Ford Mustang fastback. Beautiful car, guys. 3-year-old Rotisserie Restoration. Really good looking car. I apologize about the weather. Welcome to Michigan. It just snows and snows this time of year, but probably the only snow this car has actually ever been in. I actually took this in on trade from a gentleman out of South Carolina. Wicked cool little car. I'll tell you what, I have it because of the weather. For a week here, it's been horrible. I haven't got to drive it but a little bit. But it's snappy as heck. It's got a quick little 289 in it. He put 11,000 miles on this car in 3 years. So I would say this car is a outstanding driver. It's finished in pistachio green metallic. Obviously that's not original, but pretty car, and it's got slick paint on it. You can see they updated the headlights, the fog lights work. Again, I apologize about the weather, but this thing has just slick paint on it. The chrome and stainless is in excellent shape. That is a nice car. Unfortunately, this time of year in Michigan, we don't get to do much driving. This is what we got to deal with here for a little bit. US mags, those are 17-inch wheels. Again, chrome and stainless is very nice on the car. You can see it's got the tinted front windshield. I'm not real sure what this is. He called it ceramic chrome tint. There's ceramic tint. I'm not real sure what it was. I can't say that I'm familiar with that. Again, not a whole lot that you can really pick at on the car. Very nice car. Great sound, great stance, very nice underneath. And it's a factory C code 289 fastback car with the fold down rear seat. These are LED sequential rear tail lights, which is pretty cool. Again, all this stuff is really nice too. Car sits good, nice and straight down the sides. It seems like everything works on the car. Four-wheel disc brakes. Boy, this weather's crazy. See, it's got the dual chrome mirrors. Again, it's a factory C code 289. He said he called a 300 plus horse 289 underneath the hood. It's got a Demon 654 barrel in it. It's got SVO aluminum heads, Edelbrock Air Gap aluminum intake, ceramic heads. It is power steering. You can see it's got an aftermarket four-wheel disc brake system on it. Finned aluminum air cleaner and valve covers. Edelbrock fuel system on it. It also has a crane. You can see all that Fireball ignition system. Tremec 5-speed manual trans. Detailed up real nice underneath the hood. Good looking car. I would say a bigger front sway bar on it. Looks like it's got the hydraulic clutch in it. Obviously, we're not going to take it down the road today, but way too nice underneath for that nonsense. Pretty car, man. Mike here just absolutely loves it. You can see how nice the A-pillar chrome is. Mirrors are nice. Door handles have been replaced. There's your door tag. Of course, it's got nice clean door seams on it. Looks like all brand new interior. Power windows, they work. That's for your Sirius radio. It's got one of those Retrosounds aftermarket radios in it. Really nice bucket seats with the headrest, center console, wood steering wheel. It's got an extra steering wheel in the rear, in the trunk, I'm sorry. Aftermarket Autometer gauge cluster. Again, that is a fold down rear seat. 11,903, so just under 12,000 miles on this car. That's doing quite a bit of driving, to be honest with you. That's, 3,000 miles, almost 4,000 miles a year. Really cool aluminum shifter in it with a big ball. Again, it is a 5-speed manual transmission. It's got the custom speaker kick pads on it. It's got a really nice Magnaflow X pipe dual exhaust system. There is a car cover for it in the rear. Again, this is the steering wheel. Comes with a aluminum steering wheel as well. Pretty car. I mean, you can see how nice that paint is. This car is slick. Very nice underneath. Currie 9-inch rear end. Not the funnest shooting videos in the winter in Michigan, I'll tell you that. It's not my favorite part about living here. I will say it was absolutely beautiful here yesterday. Just the snow was pretty. Seats are really nicely done. Definitely re-padded, re-foamed. They did a nice job on that. Dash cover's nice. A little bit of pitting there in the center console. But really slick car. Yeah, door handles are nice, mirrors are nice. That A-pillar chrome, that's definitely been replaced. That's really nice. Snappy 289, guys. I mean, it gets its R's quick. You hear great sound. Really cool little car. Gauges all seem to work. Tach works. Power windows work. Again, it's got the sequential tail lights in the rear, which are pretty cool. Backup lights work, yep. Good sounding exhaust. Radio works, blower motor, just try it. Yep, it sounds like it's working. Parking brake, Nathan? Yep, it's working, guys. Doors open and close nice. Wipers work. Need them today. You have to wipe this thing down. Fog lights work. Again, guys, make sure you keep our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video, guys. Have a great day, guys.